Hi there. Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be attempting this Math Olympiad question that was sent to me. So, if you have not already, please do also subscribe to the channel as we constantly post scientific concepts that will help your knowledge of science and deepen it. And please do well to share this content and like the video because it helps the channel. And let us take the channel to 1 million subscribers. God bless you as you do so. So let's get into the video. So seeing that we have a third expression, a third as our expression, so we can simplify and see we have a perfect square here. So let's take the square root of that. This becomes the big square root of the square root of this, which is 36. Of this is 6 minus this one doesn't have it's not a perfect square, so we can simplify. All right, remember on our video where we talked about surds, so simplification of surds, we have this. So we can have 16 times 2. A perfect square inside, if you want to simplify this, just take a perfect square inside of it. For example, you could use 4 and 4, and just if you don't understand how to simplify surd, check the list of my video, and I'll try to link it in the description as well. We'll talk about simplification of surds. So we have here square root of 6 minus square root of 16 now becomes, first let's separate it for the purpose of those that don't already know how to do it. So this times this gave us this, so square root of this on its own and times square root of this. So we have now isolated them. So we have square root of 6 minus square root of 4 of this guy is 4 times square root of this is what? 2. Is it capturing it here? So from here we can further say that the square, okay, looking at it, it looks like we can't even go further, but we can still do something. Let's do a little bit of manipulation here, and just stick with me, you're going to understand that manipulation. So you remember something, this identity in maths, the square of differences, not difference of square, not difference of two squares, but the square of differences. So that gives us a squared minus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Remember this, right? So what we want to do is to sort of manipulate this expression into becoming something like this. All right, let's bring down our expression. Our expression is this, so that we have, now, in order to manipulate this, first we have to consider this guy. So let's first make this our guy, because it's the only place where there's, it's the place where there's an obvious multiplication, an obvious product. So let's first manipulate this our guy. This guy can be simplified further into 2 times 2. This 4 root 2 can be simplified further into 2 times 2 times root 2, right? So if we want to make this guy look like this, it definitely means that 2 is this 2, isn't it? Then A will be 2, right? So A will be 2. Ordinary A will be 2. But we need, ordinary A is 2, and B is root 2. Is that okay? So our B will be root 2. Now. How do we work this one such that it becomes what we want it to be? So first, remember that it is a square that is here. A square. And this way is b square. So what is the square of b? We said b was root 2. So if you square it, what does that give us? So that gives us b will be equal to what? B squared will be equal to what? This guy squared is equal to 2. Okay, yeah. B squared is going to be 2. Then, what is a square here? A square, we said this was our a, right? Our a was 2, we said, and we said this one was b. So if a is 2, then a squared definitely must be what? 4, isn't it? Okay. So if a must be 4, so how does that give us 6? The sum, isn't it? So, because if we rearrange this, this will become a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Is that okay? It's the same. So that is what we are doing here, basically. So we are adding this guy and this guy. So 6 becomes, so let's bring it up here. 6 therefore becomes 4 plus 2, isn't it? Minus 4 root 2. Is that? Yeah. Of course, 4 root 2, which is from 2 times root 2. Okay, so this now becomes what? 4, like to make it look like that expression, this is what we have, plus 2. Okay, yes. So this is what we have. It has looked like this expression. So definitely our A is actually what? Our A is actually what? 2, comma, and our B is what? Root 2. Since A squared is 4, since A squared is 4, all right, so what do we have here now? What do we have here? What we have is that our A, let us now come back to this. Let us bring it from here back to this. So we want to bring it from here back to this. We need our A minus B. What is our A? Our A is 2 minus root 2. Okay, so it has looks like this now, all squared. I hope you got that. What I did is, since you know how I got my A here and how I got my B, so an A minus B, which gave us this expression, which is equal to this expression, is actually 2 minus root 2, then all squared for it to be equal to the expression. If you are not sure, now I'm going to check in that other side, but I'm going to first finish this equation expression. I'm going to check on that other side to show you that this is exactly equal to this. So if we expand this, we should get that. But quickly, let's finish this. So this becomes, okay, there's a square root. Remember, there's a square root, so let's not miss that. So this square cancels square root, and our expression has simplified to 2 minus root 2. And I think that is the answer. Yes, that is actually the answer to the question. Okay, I said I wanted to check this. Look at this. We have 2 minus root 2. Let's square that. What does this become? This times this becomes 4 minus root 2 times this 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus root 4, isn't it? So we have 4 minus this minus 4 root 2 plus 2, right? Square root of that. So this comes here. We have 4 plus 2 times 4 root 2, minus 4 root 2. Did you get that? So this is the answer to the question. If you have not already, enjoying it, please subscribe to the channel. It's not enough that you just watch the video and gain the value. Please subscribe and share, please. You can even, share it to your friends and, use it to just attend to other questions. And if you have any other questions, you can also post them in the comment section. If you want me to treat any topic in mathematics, as far as the secondary school level is concerned, just put them in the comment section and I will attend to them as quickly as possible. God bless you.